Hello! It's been a while since I did a sit-down vlog like this. And today, I just want to talk to you about something. Have you ever experienced yung mga bagay na, alam mo yung pinag-pray mo ng sobra? Tapos, nung nagkatotoo, hindi ka pala ready kung anong gagawin mo sa bagay na yun kapag nagkatotoo. Just a little backstory, no? Nung nag-start ako mag-video, wala naman talaga akong viewers, wala naman talaga akong followers. Well, hanggang ngayon naman, no? Na-stuck lang sa 200 yung views ko, but that's still okay. That's still better than nothing. So, nung mga panahon na yun, sabi ko, Lord, sana bigyan niyo po ako ng mga comment na nagpapanotice. Oo, ganun lang kasi yung prayer ko. Tapos hanggang sa nag 100,000 followers ako, tapos nagkaroon ng mga comments na, Hi Idol, pa-video greet naman, ganyan-ganyan. And then, ang mga prayers ko nun, sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko rin po maranasan yung mga PR package, ganyan-ganyan. So, may mga products na nagtiwala, nagpadala ng mga products, and I am so very grateful to each and every one of them for trusting me. And then ngayon, sabi ko, Lord, sana magkaroon naman ako ng mga big brands na magpapadala sa akin ng mga products. Eto na. Kanya to. Napakadaming pinadala ng Vlogapalooza. And ang dami nilang pinadala, pero hindi pala ako ready sa responsibility na mag-film ng video, na mag-review. So, I just want to go through all these stuff na papakita ko sa inyo. And then, on a separate video, I'm gonna do a review of them. So, first on this is Hello Fresh. Fresh, napakalaking brand neto. If you are a fan of Watson, yan, Fresh Skin Lab. Tapos, ito, lagi ito nasa cart ko, itong makeup cleansing balm. Kasi nga medyo mahal siya, nasa 500 plus yata to. And then, ngayon meron ako, because pinadala nila ako ng PR kit. So, first of all, thank you so much to Miss Anne of Vlogapalooza for sending this. This is one of the products, and I have more. Next, another from Fresh Skin Lab, Eau de Perfume. May natin. Oh, yung cute! Super cute ng packaging. It's pink. And it smells like... Smells like a baby cologne. Super fresh lang niya and hindi siya masakit sa tenga, sa ilong. Okay, we have here the Umbro Ice Deo Spray. I think this is a man's product. Amoy natin. Oh. Ooh, kaamoy niya yung AXE. Ang bango niya. Nice. And another from Umbro. Body wash. Another man product. Ang laki niya. Ang laki at ang bigat. It smells like amoy fresh. Amoy mo yung kilikili kahit after magpapawis. Another new to my eyes is these products, Mink. Parang nalaman yata ni Miss Anne ng Vlogapalooza na kailangan ng rescue ng kilikili ko ng bahagya. Hindi naman siya maitim, but it still needs some rescuing. So we'll test this product. It's from Mink Intimate Care. It's a Rad Pits Deo Spray and a Rad Pits Underarm Serum. This is a brand new product. Next we have from Fresh Skin Lab again. It's their K-Aloe Eyes Deodorizing Body Wipes. Ooh, this is perfect for makeup removal or just removal of dirt from your body. And another one is from Skin Lab. Wow, super generous naman ng Fresh Skin Lab. Thank you so much. This is their Haya Plus Keratin Super Hair Gel Mascara. I think this is one that they use para mapahaba yung pilik mata. Super nice. Thank you so much, Skin Lab. Super generous nyo naman po. Ayan. And then, we have last two products. Another from Skin Lab. Spearmint Probiotic Breath Mist. Parang naamoy yata ng Skin Lab yung hininga ko na kailangan ko ng pampabango. Pero this is perfect for travel, pag may lakad ka. Tapos syempre, hindi mo naman kaya na mag-toothbrush every now and then. So, perfect ka sa akin because it's antibacterial, it's alcohol-free, paraben-free, fluoride-free, triclosan-free, sugar-free, travel-friendly. Perfect ka sa akin. And then the last one is this Lana, not Del Rey, Hydrate and Luminate Elixir. It's a collagen serum. bongga. So, kapag nakita nyo glowing yung skin ko, alam nyo na, alagang Skin Lab. Diba? Thank you so much again to Miss Anne of Blogapalooza for sending these products, and to Fresh Skin Lab, to Mink, to Lana, and to Umbro for their generosity. And then mabalik nga tayo, no? It's been like a couple of days and sunod-sunod yung mga gatherings kaya hindi ko siya nagawa ng video. But again, going back to the first part of my video, I hope that when we pray, we don't just pray for the outcome, na sana magkaroon ako ng PR products, sana dumami endorsement ko, so sana magkaroon ako ng maraming projects, sana magkaroon ako ng maraming pera. But ask God for strength, for time, and for sustenance, para naman magawa natin yung step by the step success. But magawa natin yung mga kailangan natin gawin para ma-achieve yung mga result na makuha natin. So I hope you enjoyed this video and may natutunan kayo ng a little bit sa aking patok. And if you like this kind of video, mga sit-down talk, mga live talks, comment down below what you want to talk about next time. Or if you are interested in any of the products that I showed you, you can post a comment and I'm gonna review those products. So, I'll see you on my next video, and shout out to mga ibang brands. I'm open to collaboration.